So guys, how's everybody doing? I'm here with another review for you guys. So I finally received the JBL Charge 3 Bluetooth speaker. So I wanted to do like an unboxing of this product and also a sound test, give you guys an idea how the speaker sounds, and also my review at the end of this, since it's going to be my first impression doing this. Like I will always say, JBL, as a brand we know, is a well-trusted company. They've been going on for many years. So if you're gonna get a Bluetooth speaker, get a brand that you already know exists. For example, on Target, there's a speaker that costs $180. A Braven 805. Don't get that speaker. I'm telling you, that's like a new brand, from what I'm thinking. And also, it's like made out of metal. So if you were to put it in front of your TV, some type of magnetic field thing, it will destroy your TV. So get something that is well trusted, and this is one of those brands. So let's get to it. So I have it right here. Let's see what it says. Charge 3 portable speaker. Design award. Says right there. Design award. Right here it shows. It says 20. I don't know if you guys can see it. 20. I guess the battery life. It has a microphone and IPX7. It has some type of waterproof, and that symbol I have no idea. And it's also Bluetooth, which we know already so far. So now let's get to unboxing it. Alright, so let's take it out. To get out of the box, we have here. Let's take some of these things out. Where is it? Right here at the bottom. Also, before that, let's see if there's any information, important information, international industries, trademark. Nope. The other box right here. And here you can see that you can, I guess, charge your phone with it, which is also handy. And right here in the back, what are we seeing? Yeah, that's exactly what it says. Bluetooth, 20 hours of playtime, 6,000 milliamp power bank battery, speakerphone, I guess when you call, and the waterproof, and it shows basically what's in the box and stuff. So this is a pretty cool product. So now that I probably took the tape off, this is how you open the box. JBL always has some weird way of making the box open. Charge 3 right here. See, we got the speaker here. Right here is the speaker. Let's see what else came with. Any cables, manual, books or stuff comes with this. The manual, I'm guessing that's what that is. And this. Charge it. I guess a cable to connect it to charge it. And I'm guessing that's it. Nothing else in the box. So we have the speaker here. Let's unwrap this bad boy. This better be some crazy sound out of this thing. So we have the speaker right here. Looks pretty nice. It's actually pretty small. Right here you can see speakers and the buttons here. Power button. I don't know. I think that may be the blue. Yeah, that has to be on the Bluetooth button here. Volume button, pause button. We have all that good stuff. JBL. This is basically the stand right here to stand it up. It's really nice. So we got also the little charger. It looks pretty cool. Alright. Then we got the little other cable here. Also the manual, just for setup reasons. It's hard to open. So now I'm going to set it up. After showing you guys this, set it up right now to connect my phone to it to see how the speaker really sounds. And also I forgot to show you right here on the back, it actually has here to open it. See here the cables to connect the USB or your phone and all that good stuff. So let's see what happens when we turn it on. Let's press the button to turn it on. Ooh, that was has some good bass right there. I don't know what. See what that those three lights are. I have no idea what that is. So now let's connect it to the Bluetooth. Let's turn it on. Hear that sexy sound again. Now do Bluetooth on my phone. Press this Bluetooth. Okay. So now that I got the Bluetooth connected, it's lighted on. Bluetooth, I guess you just hold it on a little bit. It should pop up. Connecting it to my phone. That's one thing about JBL, that the Bluetooth connection is really good. Since I own the soundbar and I also own headphones, the connection never really goes away. So that's one thing about this. Now let's hear a song. Let me turn the volume down. You guys can hear the different types of volume in this speaker, baby. I'm impressed already. You can hear some bass. I don't know if you can hear from the camera, but there's already some bass that I can hear from it. Let's see. Alright. It's on low. Let's bring it up. Okay. Getting higher. Let's see how high we can bring this speaker, boys. That's as high there, so I guess on my phone. Alright, that's like halfway on my phone right there. Gotta hear the bass, test out that bass, baby. Yeah, the shake a lot. That's still like a quarter away from the phone. See, now I'm gonna try to test it out, put it all the way up. Right now it sounds real loud. Put it up. So see, sounds loud, huh? So that sounded pretty good. I put it on max volume. So now I'm gonna do it with another song to test it out, so you guys can see the full amount of this speaker to see how far it goes. And so far, it sounds so good. The bass and everything sounds perfect. Let's see.
Acid.
Hope you guys like that sound. You know, that bass to the max. I'm telling you, with those two songs, hopefully you can tell right there to see if you would like to get one, or to tell from different speakers the difference between them, of how loud they go and how good they sound. It sounds really good from what I'm seeing so far. It sounds awesome. I'm gonna have to test it outside and stuff if I go to a park or something, to see exactly how good it shows in the outdoors. And I really think it's a good product. It actually costs around $150. They're gonna be selling it for around $150, which I think is well spent if you were to buy it. 20 hours of battery, that's incredible. So I think it's a really good speaker. If you wanted to get a Bluetooth speaker that sounds really good, I think this is the one that you should go for. You know, because Charge 2 was a different one. It's the lower one. But this one has more bass and sounds much louder than the Charge 2. Also, one more thing right here. They also don't want you to be touching this. I know some people have done it, and me myself probably by accident, when the music's going, to touch right there where the sound comes from. And I'll probably have to test out the waterproof thing. I'm just scared with that whole waterproof stuff. But I'll probably test it out later on. So hopefully you guys like this review so far. Hopefully you can see and make your decision at the end of to see what you wanted to get. So I'll see you on another video, guys. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment if you have any comments on it. I'll see you.